I'm Mr. Safar Ali. I'm now 84 years of age. Lucky Restaurant was established in 9th of September 1938 by my father, Mr. Syed Ali Akbar. He migrated from Iran at the age of 12. He was born in the year 1900. And 1912 he came to India and he started from Bombay. From Bombay he went to Pune, then again Bombay, then in Bandra. In Bandra Bazaar he started a restaurant named of Bombay Restaurant, because in those days Bandra was not Bombay. Bombay was up till Mime and Sion. So Bandra had its own municipality, which the building is still there. He started it, he came out of Bombay to try his luck, and he started the restaurant, Bombay Restaurant in Bandra Bazaar, opposite the fish market. He was not married. He used to go to the headquarters of Iranians in Dongri, Bombay, and he used to travel in train. And the shortcut to the Bandra Bazaar was the Nandi Gali, which is now it is called Nandi Gali. In those days it was called Boywada. One day he said, let me come from this side. This is restaurant side. When he came, he saw this new building. And after seeing the building, there was a car showroom inside it. He went to Bazaar. He had a social worker friend, Mr. Karai. He said, Karai, I saw something new in Bandra. He said, Sab kya dekha? What you saw? He said, I saw a new building and there was some car showroom there. Then he said, he was a social worker. He said, restaurant ke liye chahiye? Dukaan ke liye chahiye? My father said, he was shocked. He said, yes, but it's the car showroom there and it belonged to Dr. DeMonte. Dr. DeMonte, half of Bandra was Dr. DeMonte's. We have got DeMonte Street, DeMonte Park Road, DeMonte Park, and he was a very influential person. He went with my father to Dr. DeMonte. Dr. DeMonte said, I want 3 months rent in advance. He said, yes. 375 rupees my father paid for 3 months advance, and he took over the Lucky restaurant side. And then tea supplier, old tea supplier, was my good friend of my father. He gave 3,000 rupees for the furniture, and in the day of 9th of September 1938, the first day of Mount Mary Fair, Lucky Restaurant started. And a priest from Goa came. He was one of the guests, the first day guest. He said, I want to hold a mass here. My father, come on. And he started the mass. He said, all restaurants will fail, but your will never fail. And he predicted, and he was right. We are still there. Now it is the 87th year of our existence. It's older than me, Lucky Restaurant. And he called it Lucky just because Luckini came from this side. So he called it Lucky Restaurant. That's how the name Lucky came and how Lucky Restaurant came. This is history of Lucky Restaurant, how it came. So finals, 375 my father paid because he was the owner of the restaurant in Bandra Bazaar. But 3,000 for the furniture. In those days, people supplying milk or tea leaf. They used to give money so that we start your restaurant, because no pagodi, nothing. Only thing mehina deposit, take charge and start your restaurant. So my father started with 375 rupees and 3,000 he got from the supplier of old tea, and the restaurant, Lucky Restaurant, started, and it still it is flourishing. So there is no question of the finance in those days. Why the car showroom went away? People had no money to buy a car. One car used to come to Bandra, and then after 10-15 minutes another car. No car, no money. Second World War, First World War, the economy was very down. But with the strong willpower and a bit of luck and a little hospitality, you can grow. So my father, being a born orphan, uneducated, he started, and he has got this Bandra branch as well as Goregaon branch. Of course, with that building we made, but that property was belonging to his. bought it in the year 1945. This is like honesty, hospitality, hard work, creates a bit of luck. Because luckily he came this side, and that's why lucky. Customers grew, we always partnered. This is one on the part, but another on the mezzanine floor. So as the customers grew, we grew also. Way of cooking differs a lot. The Punjabi biryani, they cook the masala, they fry the masalas and they have ready rice, they put it on it and eat. That is not the real biryani. The real biryani is dum biryani. Dum biryani is a biryani cooked in the sealed vessel. It has to be cooked in a slow fire with patience for 1 hour, 2 hours. It requires a lot of patience. The aroma should enter each and every grain of rice. Then when you eat biryani, it gives taste. That is real biryani. So that tradition we have, that is Mughlai biryani. So that is the difference. Other people, I will give every the ingredients, not everybody's job. Lot of patience. How much fire has to be put up? How low should be the fire down? How long it has to be cooked? All these arts. And how much masala has to be put. And when the masala has to be put. That also differs. If you put masala in the beginning only, everything melts up. While giving them, the masala is poured over. This is my secret which I'm giving. So that is how it differs from the other people. You can have proof of the pudding is in the eating. Yeah, you can eat biryani hours and the other place and we can see the difference. I will not lie because tandoori chicken was introduced in Bandra by A1 Grill. There was no tandoori chicken in Bombay. A1 Grill started and after that it came to Lucky. So tandoori chicken was. Then Chinese dishes came. Subsequently, everything we were ready to adopt. Besides Mughlai dishes, which we are king, the Chinese dishes, tandoori dishes, tandoor roti, tandoori, everything. Anything new comes, they are ready to accept it. You have to change with the times. If water remains at one place, it gets stagnant. You have to change. So we are always ready to change. We are not hard born in our traditions. Yes, we have to change with the times. Now the people want tandoori chicken. They want Chinese. Our Mughlai is there. Our biryani is there. Those things are also we have mastered. You see, our aim is customer is always right. You see, sometimes we are human beings. We have a fight in the home with our wife. Ideally, you come here, then we fight with the waiter and all. So we always see that the customer is always right. We try to calm him down, give him something. So all these things happened. We had so many customers who used to come drunk because during the time of prohibition, they used to drink so much, but it's not acting. They used to come, they fight and all. That hospitality, keep quiet, this thing. Politician of Bandra. So he used to come here drunk and without money. After having put paisa nahi hai, when he used to throw out jao baat. Then one day my father said, "Oh, kitna bhi khayega na, so kuch mat bolo." He himself told me. He said, "The charm went away. I never come again." So hospitality requires patience. If you want to be in the restaurant business, you have to have patience, hospitality, and hard work and quality, honesty. The chicken, the mutton, the masalas, everything should be of the super quality. That's what we try to have. And we have maintained that. That's why Lucky is still alive. Our customers, practically they're regular. They're outsiders. So if regular customers comes once in a month, once in a week, because family people, and they're always welcome. So all are welcome. They are especially welcome. So the relationship is always good with all. We don't know who this gentleman is. He may be some minister or because all type of people come here. And Sachin Tendulkar, he was our customer. So we had all types of customers, all good people. We call it Mehman Nawazi. That is the word used for hospitality. Iranians as a race, they're very good in hospitality. They're very good Mehman Nawaz. They welcome guests. So that quality makes a little difference from the other people. We believe in that in a guest coming, he has come from the Almighty Goddess and so he has to be respected. It's in our blood. That hospitality is in our. My father had it. He was my son, my grandson, all of them. So hospitality is in our blood. So Bandra is costly because it is Bollywood. And Lucky was the center of Bollywood's starting actors. Rajendra Kumar, Dilip Kumar, all of them were our customers once. Nasir Khan, Dilip's brother, Johnny Walker, all of them were our customers. And when Shah Rukh Khan subsequently came from Delhi, he wanted to have a nice, dinner. He came to Lucky for biryani. We are still very famous for our biryani. And he was having his biryani. Producer was having his biryani on the next table because Shah Rukh Khan was acting in TV serials in Delhi. The producer got up, he came to, this is what Shah Rukh Khan himself said in an interview to Anupam Kher. In that interview, he came to know that he had come here. When he came, that producer came, he said, "Either घूमने के लिए आया लेके काम, मैंने काम करने के लिए. कल सुबह आप मेरे आप." Then Shah Rukh Khan became Shah Rukh Khan. He started with the Lucky biryani. So you're at a lucky place, and now you see how you grew up. Lucky is lucky, was lucky, will shall be lucky. I think so. As far as my son, he came just now. This extension always had been made by him, not me. I had the old restaurant only. The only thing I made was this building, which is a hotel. So future will be in their hands. I cannot predict. It will be good because the quality of education and all given to them is good. So there will be good. A grain of rice will grow into a rice only. A wheat will become wheat. A barley will become barley. So if the start is good, so it will be good. Because always be optimistic, never be a pessimist. As Mo said, he's my son. He has helped me to bring Lucky to this level. Present you see is because of his efforts, and yes, he's also associated with Lucky for the last 35 years.
No, almost 40 years.
40 years.
40 years I am associated. It was 1985, 86, 85 something I joined. And at that time it was a simple Iranian restaurant. And when I joined, my dad gave me responsibility. He said, at present, don't take much decisions. He said, just watch what's happening, move around, see around, check the cleanliness, check everything. This is how I started. Like you can say, step by step. And at that time, it was a simple Irani restaurant. We were selling, of course, biryani, keema paos and everything. And slowly, I did the renovations. We've got AC sections, and we got four AC sections. We got a big, large dining hall. We got a garden section also. At that time, we were serving biryani and a few items that what I mentioned to you. And now we have multi-cuisine. We have Chinese, we have seafood, we have barbecue, tandoori items. So Lucky is very famous for his barbecue food also. Tandoori, the kebabs, and of course the biryani is the best. And we even do sell Kepsa rice, which is again doing very, very good. People love and it's value for money. And especially our Lucky biryani is actually value for money, less oily, less spicy, and it suits all the masses, All the people love it, not any one particular community. All the people love the biryani. That's why they come back for the biryani. They know this is the real actual biryani, the dum biryani. It's not the fry pan like the other restaurants sell. We sell the genuine, proper dum biryani. The best of spices, the best of rices. And of course, hum dil se banate hai to make it. So it turns out to be excellent. The taste, delicious, man. See, honestly, I get many offers. At present, Lucky has got 2 branches, Bandra and Gorega. Okay? Now, offers both aate, opportunities bhi aate, we get opportunities, start branches, but doesn't make sense. Because you're at one place, you pay good attention to your guests, your customers coming in. Service, the quality, quantity, cleanliness, hygiene, public relation. It's very important. Imagine I be here, there, then all the branches will suffer. So we are doing so well by the grace of God, and of course, you people are the partners in my success, The people, the masses, Lucky wouldn't have been successful. So basically my guests are my partners in my success. So without them, it couldn't have been possible. So that's why we have 2 branches. We have our own properties. We don't lease our properties. We are the owners of the properties. We have restaurants. My restaurant at this time has got a sitting capacity of 280 people at one time. Can you imagine this? 280 people can sit at one time. My guests come from abroad, they come from India, they come from so many places, And this morning, 15 minutes back, I think so, you yourself saw me taking orders from the Japanese people who had come now. There were 8 Japanese people who had come. I believe you saw me taking their orders and serving them breakfast and everything. So this is how Lucky is. And one branch in Goregaon, one branch here. We have we have access good parking space also. We have valet parking also. And Lucky itself is a landmark. It's known as Lucky Junction. That's it. And I believe in 3 alphabets, H. Hard work, honesty, and humbleness. And of course, with hard work, you need smart work also. And humble to aapko rehna hi hai business mein. You have to be kind. I myself firstly stand at the gate. I welcome my guests. I make them sit down. And when they leave, I always take a feedback also. So it actually makes a major difference, man. When I'm not and I'm absent, suppose I'm going somewhere abroad or for a holiday, the people ask for me, where is that gentleman? Where is the gentleman? Who's wearing glasses, the white hair. So this is how you grow, The guests should be happy. And of course, good food, smiling face se aap service karte ho. Everything is counted. Hospitality is not actually declined, I don't know. I'm a little confused here. I don't think so it's declined. See, if you serve good food and everything, people definitely come to you. And now, what happens? Tourists have declined actually. If more tourists comes and more the hospitality industry grows, basically it's a tourism industry which is important. Especially invite more foreigners coming in. The revenue comes in, the money gets rolling, the cities grows, the state grows, the country grows. So this is very important. Foreign tourists, interstate tourists, this is all important, man. And if you serve good food, sir, people come from anywhere. Bas Lucky ka biryani khana hai. So they have to come. Lucky ka Kepsa rice. Our mutton chops are the best in Bombay. Trust me, brother, if you try the mutton chops, you go crazy, man. You'll ask for it every day. The best mutton chops. And at the end of the day, this is a family business. We are just a small part of the family which we run the show. And his daddy's got brothers and sisters and their children. But very happy family. And because we're doing quite well.
United.
We're all united. And basically united also because we're doing well. So very important. To be united, you have to do well also. So otherwise, you don't be united. When you're doing well, your business is growing. So people are all happy. That's it. That's my funda. And of course, children should join the hospitality industry. Basically, in India itself, do something for yourself, man. Make this country grow. Make the city grow. Very important, sir. Sir, you're doing a very great job. Keep up the good work. Honestly, because of you people are aware of exactly hospitality industry, what's happening in India, Bombay, Maharashtra, Mumbai. So keep up the good work and good luck to you all. Thank you, Indian Hospitality Magazine. Keep up the good work. Salute you all.